Breaking news. Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Nnamdi Kanu trial. What you need to know and expect as Ipob leader go back to court. Nnamdi Kanu trial. What you need to know and expect as Ipob leader go back to court. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, stay tuned as I read today's news. The federal government of Nigeria has filed fresh additional charges against the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu, from 7 to 15 as they resumed trial on Tuesday, 18th January 2022 in court. Kanu was facing a 7-count charge that is bordered around terrorism, treason, secession, and that he is a member of Ipob group which the government has outlawed. He is also accused of using his broadcast to lie about President Muhammadu Buhari, and Kanu has denied all these allegations. Kanu legal team confirmed the new charges that government filed the charges barely 24 hours to the main trial. The trial of the Ipob leader will hold on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The trial will take place in court before Justice Binta Unyako. This trial is coming days after the Nigerian president Buhari said he is not considering any political solution against Kanu's case and he have to favor the law. Kanu trial in court always come with drama as security personnel will not allow people to freely enter the court premises. Tuesday case will not be different. Security officers will be all over the place. Only very few people will have access into the courtroom where the trial will take place because of the COVID protocol that is being respected in the courtroom. The court will resume from 9 a.m. but the case can start from 10 o'clock or 11 a.m. Ifeanyi Ejiofor is leader of Kanu's lawyer. It is likely that the defense lawyer will raise motion to challenge the jurisdiction of the court to hear Kanu's case for the sake of how they carry repatriate to Nigeria to come and face trial. Accuses on ground is that the Nigerian government did not follow due international procedure and a legal channel to bring Kanu back to the country. For that reason, the court has no power to hear the case. The prosecution counsel will try and defend the government and the reason why it takes this approach to repatriate Kanu asks the court to counter with the trial. Nigerian government filed Kanu with charges on alleged act of terrorism and treasonable felony before the office of the Attorney General of the Federation amend the charges against Kanu that were being filed as motion on notice for the court. These are the amended charges against Kanu. Kanu allegedly used his radio broadcast from London where he boasts on separating Southeast, South-South and some parts of Kogi and Benue State from Nigeria to form Biafra land. Kanu allegedly uses radio broadcast from London to abuse Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari when he called the president pedophile, a terrorist, an idiot, and an embodiment of evil. Kanu allegedly imports radio transmitter, that is tram 50L, which he hid inside container to transport it to Iyala, Anambra State. Kanu allegedly declared himself as member of indigenous people of Biafra Ipob, group that has been banned by Nigerian government. Kanu allegedly commits terrorism by using radio broadcasts from London to encourage members of the banned Ipob group to attack Nigeria's security operatives and their family members. Kanu allegedly commits terrorism where he incites members of the public to kill police officers. Kanu allegedly commits terrorism where he boasts that things will happen and people will die. Kanu allegedly used the radio broadcast from London to commit acts of terrorism by declaring sit at home and threaten death on people that refuse to obey the order. Kanu allegedly commits terrorism when he used radio to incite people to stage violent revolution against the federal government. Kanu allegedly commits terrorism when he used radio to direct members of the public to burn down government facility in Lagos. Kanu allegedly commits terrorism by using this radio to incite the public to destroy public transport system in Lagos, which caused a major economic loss in the state. Kanu allegedly commits terrorism when he incites Ipob members to manufacture bomb. Kanu allegedly commits terrorism of inciting members of the public to stop the Anambra State election and destroy Nigerian political and economic structure. Kanu allegedly commits terrorism when he issued deadly threats to anyone that refused to obey the sit-at-home order to write his own will.